Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to confirm old follow requests on the Instagram app using your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to manage your follow requests directly from your computer. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. With the newest update, Instagram's web interface has become even more user-friendly, making it easier than ever to navigate your account from a desktop or laptop. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the notifications icon. It looks like a little heart inside a speech bubble. This is where you'll find all your recent activity, including likes, comments, and most importantly, follow requests. After clicking the notifications icon, you'll see a section labeled Follow Requests. Click on this option to open up a list of all the accounts that have requested to follow you. Here, you'll be able to see both new and old requests that you haven't responded to yet. Scroll through the list and find the follow request you want to confirm. Sometimes you might notice requests from weeks or even months ago that you missed. Don't worry. Instagram keeps these pending until you take action. Once you've found the request you want to accept, simply click the confirm button next to the user's name. That's it. The person will now be able to see your posts and stories, and you've successfully managed your follow requests right from your PC. If you have multiple requests, you can repeat these steps for each one. This updated process makes it easy to stay on top of your Instagram connections without needing your phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite apps. See you in the next video.